Recording in progress.
Sit straight and close your eyes. Be aware of your breathing. Be aware of your upper body, middle body, and the lower body. Feel the relaxation. Feel the relaxation. Each and every cell of your body is relaxed. Be aware of your spine from top to bottom. Your spine is relaxed. You bring your awareness in the spine from top to bottom and bottom to the top. As you breathe in, your awareness goes from bottom to the top in the spine. Just think of your spine as a tube like structure. And your awareness is moving up and down. Be aware of the lowest part of your spine, Mooladhara Chakra. Chant the mantra LAM 2 times. LAM. Connection with Mother Earth. Feel you are grounded. You are connected with the Mother Earth. Deep connection. Feel the touch of the chair or the bed, or your legs are touching somewhere. Imagine cord-like structure going from the spine into the Mother Earth and making you stable, strong, like a tree. Be aware of your Mooladhara chakra and say, I am safe, I am secure, I am grounded. I release fear and embrace stability in my life. I am deeply connected to Earth and its abundance. Be aware of your spine at the level of lower back and say the Bij mantra Vam. 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 And say and feel your connection with the water. Your emotions are flowing like water. And say, I honor my emotions and I allow my emotions to flow freely. Creativity is inside me. I am so creative. I'm so full of joy. I'm having so many fulfilled relations. I deserve pleasure, abundance, and happiness. Feel yourself as if you are so happy. Let every cell of your body feel yourself in a happy state. You are so happy. You have so beautiful relations. Now bring your awareness to the middle back in the spine, the solar plexus chakra, and say, I am confident. Chant the Bij mantra Ram. 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 Feel the brightness of sun in your abdomen, in the area of solar plexus chakra, and say, I am confident, I am powerful, I am capable. I take inspired action towards my goal. And see and feel your inner light is shining so brightly. You are so wonderful. And say, I trust myself. I really trust myself. I trust others also. Bring awareness on the center of your chest, heart chakra. Chant the mantra Yam. Yam. Once more. Take a deep breath. Yum. Keeping your focus on the center of your heart. Bless your heart. Give blessings to your own heart chakra. Thank you so much for beating me day in, day out. Appreciate it. You are beating, that's why I am alive. Thank you, my dear heart. Thank you, heart chakra, for keeping my heart active. And say, I love and accept myself the way I am. I have unconditional love for myself. I thank you for the love I have in my life. I love myself. I love you too. I love others. I love everybody. I am so full of love. There is a little cute child inside me who is so full of love. That child knows nothing except love and love and love. And now, when you are feeling yourself full of love, send love to somebody you love. Send love to your family members. Send lots of love. Keep on sending. Your family members can be in the house and they can be anywhere in India or they can be somewhere outside India on the opposite part of the earth. This energy of love is so powerful. You can send the love. Keep on sending love because you are so full of love. You are generating love inside you. And now send love all around your body. From your heart chakra, you are radiating love all around. And now bring your awareness to the throat chakra. The space element. Power of your voice has the capability, has the power to go anywhere and everywhere. Chant the mantra hum. 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 And say, my voice is powerful. I can speak with confidence. I can speak my truth with confidence. I am confident. I am confident. I am clear and confident. I am heard. अगर मैं कुछ बात बोलती हूँ तो लोग सुनते हैं. My voice is melodious. My voice is authentic. My communication is creative. Also, I listen to others. Bring your awareness to the center of your eyebrows, deep inside, 2 to 3 inches deep, is the third eye chakra. Chant the mantra Om. 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 Now say, my intuition is very strong. I see my life with clarity and wisdom because I know I am confident about myself. Now I can see my life so clearly. I have great wisdom. My wisdom has a connection with the universe. My mind is calm. I am open for divine inspiration. I am connected. I am connected. Guess what? With what you are connected? You are connected with the divine wisdom, universal wisdom. What does it means? Means whenever you need any information, anything regarding wisdom, you can download this wisdom from the universal wisdom. You can close your eyes and ask for help. Ask help from divine wisdom, and you can receive it because you are connected to your third eye chakra. You can visualize everything. Now bring your awareness to the crown chakra, slightly above your head. It is out of your body. Chant the mantra Om. 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 As it is already outside your body, it means it is inside the universe. You are connected with the divine universe. Feel the oneness with the universe. Me and universe are not different. We are connected. Feel the connection with the universe. Feel the connection with others in this Zoom meeting. Feel the connection with your family members. You can feel the connection with anybody, anywhere, anything on this earth. You are one with the universal energy. At the level of energy, we are all one. Feel the oneness and say, I trust. I really trust the divine plan. God wants me to learn something through my problems. This is the nature's way. It puts you in some difficult situation, and then you have to come out of this difficult situation with enthusiasm, so that you can grow in your life. You can become more of yourself, the real you, the lovely you, the small little you. And say, I love you, universe. I thank you for the love I have. I love you. I love myself. Feel the love. Feel the love is all around in the air. Be a part of it. Absorb all this emotion into you. Take a deep breath. Let this beautiful feeling go into deep inside your body. Be aware of your breathing. Move your fingers. Move your hands. Move your toes. Move your fingers and your hands. Rub your hands gently and then strongly. Put your hands on your face. Give energy to your face and your body. And you can open your eyes.